The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Today we're doing Bitcoin, and this video there are no notifications, so you probably did not get noticed of this video, and you probably have to go to my channel page to click it. So my Bitcoin videos got no notifications, so keep that in mind. Anyways, let's get into the charts and talk about this 20 moving average that everybody wants to know what's happening with, right? So basically, everybody was bullish. We wanted to close about 20 moving average. We closed, and now it's going down. So what gives what's happening? So let's examine that and see what's up. So there's some resistance line up here. Let's turn off the moving average for a second. There's a resistance line up here that goes all the way from the previous stop over here, something like this, give or take. Depends on how you draw it. You can see here, put a little bit down like this, something like this. So it was some kind of top, went up here, created this nice resistance line, 2, 3 hits, 4 hits, broke it, retest. Maybe it goes even like a little bit more like this, retest it. Anyway, I think you can see this better on the 1 hourly. I think you can see this better on 1 hourly. Yeah, hit, broke it, resistance. Went all the way down, hit, broke it, resistance, down, and now it's hitting resistance. So this line over here is very important line to break for us to move higher up, and that's around right now today it's around 53.7. So that might have something to do with it. Now this pattern that's forming over here, it's actually very bullish, because you got a low, high, higher low, higher high, and now we're getting this higher low. Hopefully we don't break this level down here, because at around 48,000, because that would be very bearish, because then you get a lower low, and that's not something you actually want. So hopefully this is some kind of intermediate bottom, and we will go higher above this resistance line, maybe even test it and continue further up. So at least that's the theory, that's the assumption. We don't like assumptions, so we are not gonna base anything on that, but it's nice to see at least that we got these higher highs and higher lows forming right now in this on the 1 hourly chart, even on the 4 hourly, 4 hourly. So that's nice to see, and you don't want the level to go below the 47 and create a lower low, at least not in the short term. So that's something to look out for. Let's go back to the 4 hourly chart actually now, and start looking at the moving average on the 4 hourly and see what they can tell us. So basically, we were very bullish once we got above all of the moving averages, 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving average. So the price after the RSI divergence, after the bottoming pattern, after the bottom, after hitting 200 moving average, we climbed on the 20 moving average. This is actually holding of the 50 moving average, because you can see the price got rejected, but the next line candle just got right back above the wait a minute, let me zoom in this. Right above the 20 moving 50 moving average, tested it, broke it, but then it got right back on it, tested it, broke it, got back on it, and then used the 50 moving average to move higher, right? Then we got support on the 100 moving average, and the support broke. We went to the 20 moving average, and now it's playing around, looking if it's gonna hold the 20 moving average, is gonna break it all down to 50, what's gonna happen. But around 20 and 50 moving average, there is where the support should be if we don't want to get below this level down over here, right at 47.4. That's actually would be very bearish. You can see here clearly at these tops over here also was holding the same level, so going below the 47.4, it will be very bearish. But right now it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing, zigzag upwards, like slowly to break this resistance line. So there is no drama in this. Now I want to show you another chart, and that's Bitcoin CME future chart. And the difference between this chart and the usual chart we are looking is that we are already above the 20 moving average, and we are riding the 20 moving average. So a lot of people have stopped watching this chart after the CME gaps was no longer a thing, right? You can see there's a CME gap over here, right? And I know you can say, it's gonna close the CME gap. No, it's not. We are not going back to 25,000, not yet. Maybe after the bull run it's gonna close all the CME gaps, but right now that's not the thing. So basically people stopped watching CME future chart, but I still like to watch the CME future chart, and you can see here on CME futures we are still in an uptrend, strong uptrend nonetheless. Let's look at the 10 moving average. Yeah, it just got below the 10 moving average, but we are in above the 20 moving average and in option, contrary to the regular chart that we are seeing, that where we have been below 20 moving average for a long time right now, right? And this line over here, the support line, that's the same line up here. Let's try to draw it, just see what's happening on the line. It goes something like this. Yeah, so basically this line is actually alpha and omega line, and once this is broken, I think the all-time high will be broken as well. When that's gonna happen, not quite sure. And last thing I want to show you is a 4-hourly chart on the CME future chart, and you can see here clearly that we are broken bearish. So we still got 20 minutes to go, so I won't keep the video 20 minutes up, but you can see here clearly that both 20, 50 and 100 moving average is now being broken on the 4-hourly, which makes it very bearish. So I'm expecting, if it stays like this, next candle it has to get back above the averages just to nullify this candle over here. But if it stays like this, then you can see the drops below 47.47 and further down. This on the 4-hour and CME future chart, so it doesn't matter that much for us right now, because if you look at here, it can go all the way to 48,000. It does matter. 48,000 just over here. So hopefully this won't stand. Hopefully. But you should be watching CME future chart as well and see if actually, because it's 3 important averages, 20, 50 and 100 moving average on the same dot, and now we are breaking that. 20 more minutes to go. So I should have probably waited 20 more minutes to say my opinion about this, but I'll write down in the comments after the video, after 20 minutes, after this candle closes, maybe even after next candle close, and tell you what I think about it. But on the regular chart, we are holding the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly, and the 50 moving average is down at 48,000. So there's still a way to go. Basically, Bitcoin is trying to get back to the uptrend, but it has some kind of resistance it has to break. Right now it's very difficult to trade this, very difficult, because you don't know what's gonna happen. So all we have to do is just wait and see where the supports will be, how this will play out and stuff like that, until we get more bullish signals. So that is for the day. Right now not much happening. Maybe later there will be some more happenings. So check out the video tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the update on this and see how this is evolving, and that's what we're gonna keep on checking. So subscribe to the channel. There won't be any notification for this video in the future. Bitcoin videos will get no notifications, so you have to just go to my channel every day around this time and see if the new video is uploaded or not. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye. Where's the